What's up, guys? I'm back with another update. I've been saying I'm gonna do it for a couple years now, but here we go. The Hondarulez coil unplug mini into my backup ECU. Got my built harness, new plug wires, and our gutted distributor ready for the first startup. A series Honda. Alright, here's the moment of truth. We got our harness hooked up. We just got a temporary ran through to the door and all that. Plug right into the mini. So here we go. 86 Honda Accord Hondarulez coil unplug mini. First startup. And it's running. Don't know what the flashing light means, but ignore the squeaking belt. There you have it.